Welcome you all. I am Raju Manji, and in this video lecture I will discuss about VB.NET do until loop. You already seen three type of loop: do while loop, for loop, and while loop. Do until loop is also a loop which executes a part of program repeatedly, but the executes of do until loop is different, where we compare do until loop, do while loop, for loop, so as we know the condition is true and terminates condition is false. So the do until loop just opposite to this three loop. Do until loop executes still the condition is false and terminates the condition is true. Let us verify through an example. Dim I as integer, I equal to 1, that means declaration. Do until I greater than equal to 10, console dot write line and display I, then I equal to I plus 1. Hold the screen, so you have to use console dot read line. Okay, and executes the program and find the output. Output does not display. What is the reason output does not display in this program? Program is executed successfully, but output does not display. Let's see. The condition do until loop is always true. Or we know that the for loop, while loop and do while, but to compare the do until loop is different. Still the condition is true, but it is terminates. But the condition is false, that display the output. Okay, check. Greater than and execute the program. Yes, output is display 1 to 9. No problem. When do until is keyword when condition is true. Do until loop is terminates with loop. Inside I will write the condition. I will write the condition. The condition is false. Then it will be displayed and execute. So let's execute the program and find the output. We get the output. So do until loop is the different from the other do while loop and for loop. Suppose the remember while, do while, or and for loop executes till the condition is true and terminates when the condition is false. When as the do until loop executes till the condition is false. And terminates the condition is true. So it is the difference between the three loop of while loop, do while and for loop, and what is the difference of the do until loop. Okay, you can solve the many problem using do until loop. Hope so you understood the topic. If you have any query regarding this video, please do comment. Thank you.